and I'm doing anywhere from $800 to $1,200 a week. But my problem is I'm 15 and only people that like I can't really. I'm at that point where I could hire an actual person, and so my struggle is finding somebody to work for me. Because at this point I'm having to turn down jobs because like I'm booked through the rest of the summer at this point before I go back to school.
Cool. Does any of your high school friends want to work with you or not?
Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to figure out is like I've asked a lot of people, but down here in Florida, it's either people work for like Winn-Dixie or they work on a fishing charter.
Yeah.
And so like kind of finding that aspect of trying to find people that for one, like I love like doing quality stuff, and I just kind of that perfectionist of like I want people to do really good work to kind of uphold the name. But at the same time, I can't keep going by myself the whole time.
Yeah, well, the thing is that your size, you're still going to be working with that employee, right? So even if they're not the best quality,
100%.
You can definitely take a B player because you are going to be working with them all day long. And so you can kind of make sure that their standard of quality is high. So I wouldn't beat yourself up too much about like having a great employee because you're going to be with them all the time. Make sure their quality work is fine. So two things you can do. One, you can go ahead and hire somebody and hire them full time and just tell them, hey, this is a 3-month stint. Or you can go hire someone like that's going to school with you and get them on board. Regardless though, you don't beat yourself up too much about perfectionism when it comes to your first employee because you're going to be with them all the time, right? Like that's why like with P4P even, you don't even need it for your first employee because if you're with them all the time, you are managing their performance. You don't need
You're
a
making
system.
sure they're efficient.
Exactly.